use this one. You can open, close, and monitor status from anywhere. And it works with Alexa, Google, and Nest, and IFTTT. Now the first one will power it up. You can see the red LED blinks. Okay. Connect the sensor and the on-off cable. This with magnetic. This is the sensor. Okay, install eWelink app and we'll open it. Click the Add button. Select the Quick Pairing mode. Next. This is your Wi-Fi name, and you enter the correct password. Next. And now we'll use a word now. Pressing the button for 5 seconds. And the LED status change. Of course, you can press the button before you add the device on app. Okay. Rename it. Okay. Let's do. Install the sensor and monitor the status. Now here is a box. Install the sensor with cable upon the door. Usually on the wall. Use the gums or use the screws. And the sensor install on the door and move with the door. And now it's closed. And now it's closed. It's open. When you click the tab on app, turn off, and the door will close, and the status turns off, and now turn on. Now the door is open. If you manually open or close the door, you will see the status on app.